Simplify expressions by collecting like terms. Let's look at a simple expression. 3a plus 6 plus 5a plus 2. To simplify this expression, let's follow a two-step procedure. Collect the like terms. Combine the like terms by adding or subtracting. In our example, 3a and 5a are like terms as they both have the same variable a. The other two terms are number terms. To simplify the expression, first, let's collect the a terms first, followed by the number terms. 3a plus 5a plus 6 plus 2. 3a plus 5a equals 8a. 6 plus 2 equals 8. The simplified expression of 3a plus 6 plus 5a plus 2 equals 8a plus 8.